Select a location over a doorway to install the ZAP. If there's a stud, you will need to cut through it. If there's a load-bearing stud, you will need to pick a new location. Measure the width of the door, including the door trim. Find the center horizontally. Find your center vertically. Place the center of your template over the overall center point above the door. After you've leveled your template, trace around it. Using your drywall saw, cut along the lines and remove the drywall. Using a screwdriver or awl, poke through the corners of the cutout, keeping the tool straight through the back of the drywall. On the other side of the wall, use your ladder and line up your template to the 4 holes you just made. Trace it again. Remove the drywall again. Remove any non-load-bearing studs if necessary. In the first hole you cut out, insert box number 1 with the baffle. In the second hole you cut out, insert box number 2. Screw 1 grill on each side using the provided grill screws. Make sure the grill is level before tightening the screw down. You can now enjoy all the comfort and cooling that QuietCool has to offer without sacrificing privacy.